All right. So we are about 120 to 150 pips in profit on this trade that I posted yesterday. I don't know if you remember. Um, we mentioned in yesterday's video that you know the market is going to turn at 2035, and we had a slight stop hand over here that reached up to 2037, but that wasn't really an issue because our stop loss, like I had mentioned, there was supposed to be around 2047. So we are quite okay as it stands. And um, well, the question is what's next? Okay, so I'm going to just show you via some analysis. When you have missed an entry, don't try and chase a trade. Now the sell trade that we had and we still have on gold is still valid. However, there's so many places that it can retrace to now. Okay, that's your biggest problem. Now, if you look at this point over here, I'm going to switch over to the 4-hour chart so that you can see what I'm trying to say. So if you look over here, if we continue this line, you have a possible retracement to this point. So if the market is going to bounce, it can bounce again back to this point over here, which is about 2047. And then we also have another point, which is this point over here. It's still a place that the market can bounce to. That's 2054. Right. And we still have again another place that the market can bounce to, which is this point over here. So it's not a wise decision to enter now. So you can't chase the entry. What you can simply do is when the market reaches these points that I have highlighted over there, that's 2054. Let's see, between 2054 and 2055, all right, and then 2066. Those are the two entries that you could use. If the market retraces back to that, then you can enter a sell. But at the moment, you can't enter a sell. Wait for the market to go down. You may enter a buy when the market goes down up to 2008. And then you can enter a buy just for the retracement. But otherwise, don't do that. It's not a wise thing to do. So we have exhausted our sell entries on gold at the moment. Don't enter the sell. Wait for the market to retrace back to 2048, 2055, or 2066. Those are the 3 points that you can sell on. All right. If I were to look at the daily chart over here and zoom in, as you can see, we have a very nice sell setup that has been formed, and we are still waiting for the market to go and touch the lowest of January over here. That's 2001. So those are your points that you can buy on. So if the market reaches 2001, you can enter a buy, but not for long. Okay, remember we have a valid sell set up over here, and we are waiting for the market to go down to around 1975, which is somewhere there. So that's where we expect the market to go to. But otherwise, hope you had a nice ride on this trade. We had very little drawdown on this one. It was pretty straightforward. I called it here yesterday, and so if you had entered on 2035 there or whenever, you are in profit and you didn't get much on the loss side. So I will be coming up with new updates, but as far as this sell trade is concerned, this is my last update on this sell trade. We are expecting gold to go down to 1975, that is it. I will come back with other analyses of other assets or other symbols, but not gold. All right. So, and another thing, just a side note, you can use USDJPY to analyze gold. If you feel like you don't have a clear setup on gold, you can look at USDJPY. They have a negative correlation. So if you come and check out USDJPY, you will find that there is a buy setup over here. So this is the first level for this buy setup. This is the second level for the buy setup, and then the third level is going to reach about this point over here, 150.80. So you still have a buy setup that's valid on USDJPY. And if I look at the daily chart of that, that's just level 2 of that. So we're expecting again another move from there upward. So yeah, that's pretty much your setup for USDJPY, which further confirms that gold is going down. All right. So hopefully this analysis suffices for you and will help you to enter good entries on USDJPY. So USDJPY, if the market comes and surpasses 150.80, you wait for a pullback and then you trigger your buy, and then the market has to surpass the previous high there, because there is no wick over there, which shows that there is no sell setup there. So, and then this side here we have got a nice buy setup that is nice, almost like a triple bottom, except there is a slight angle to it. So let's see there we go. So that is our buy setup for the USDJPY. And if we were to look at it in terms of levels, this is the first level of the USDJPY. The second level is going to start and end somewhere there at the top, and then the market will probably come back down to 150.80 and then start another upward movement of the same magnitude as this previous one right here, this previous one over here. So the target for USDJPY, if you are going to buy, is a swing trade, of course, is 156.55, and we are waiting for it to first surpass 150.80 and come back again to that point, and then you can trigger your buy there, and then it continues going. So that's your analysis for USDJPY, which also in turn means gold is going the opposite of this. So gold is selling. So that's one thing I just needed to say, just a side note, okay? But otherwise, I hope your trades are going well, and I hope you are going to continue holding on to this trade for as long as the sell is still valid. I will come again with tools that can help you to move your stop losses if you've got many trades like this. I've got a couple of tools that I have in stock that can help you to move your stop losses, that can make multiple trailing stop loss, and all of the closing of trades that are in profit or trades that are in loss as a button. So on the screen you would be able to see you can close pending orders only, or you can close sell trades only, or buy trades only, or trades in loss, or trades in profit, or all trades, right? So I will see you again next time. Hope you have a wonderful weekend.